fact of the day: 5 signs of low testosterone in men. Testosterone is the main male hormone which regulates sex drive, maintains strong bone mass, and keeps your muscles healthy and strong. As men get older, however, testosterone starts to reduce at a rate of 1 to 3% per year. On top of this, high levels of stress or eating low-quality foods can also lower the amount of testosterone available in your body. Let's take a look at the 5 common signs that you have low testosterone. Before we start, please tap the like button to help me reach more people. 5 signs of low testosterone. 1. Low libido and lowered sex drive because testosterone helps to make sperm and maintain fertility. 2. A large pot-shaped belly with or without man boobs is a sign that your estrogen is too high, causing low testosterone. 3. Men with low testosterone may also lose facial hair and hair on the bottom of the legs due to high cortisol. 4. Osteoporosis is a condition where the bones become weak and more likely to break, is often caused by low testosterone levels. Finally, 5. The testicles may also shrink if you have liver damage that is causing low testosterone levels. Start taking the following steps to raise your testosterone naturally. 1. Perform high-intensity interval training to boost growth hormone and testosterone. 2. Take a daily supplement of Zinc Chelate. 3. Take a daily supplement of vitamin D3. 4. Eat cruciferous vegetables in salads to help your liver detox excess estrogen and balance your hormones. And 5. If you're overweight, follow a low-carb protocol such as the ketogenic diet to help reduce fat and estrogen in your body. Learn more about the best foods to boost testosterone by watching this video here.